Hey guys, welcome to Technical Thinkers English. So in this channel, I'm going to publish my videos in English language to reach the wider audience. So in this today's video, we're going to learn how to use LinkedIn in very effective way and what are the tips and tricks to follow to land a dream job. So this video is going to be very interesting. So watch till end and subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. LinkedIn is a professional networking platform. No. So it is a professional Instagram. I call it like this. I call it as professional Instagram. You will understand by yourself by end of this video. Normally, our people what they do is they open the LinkedIn and go to the job section and they find a job and they apply and they will be waiting for a call from HR to schedule the interview and to discuss further, to take it further. So, but guys, this is not going to help you. So what you have to do is, so if you find out one job, so you have to find out the hiring managers and professional project managers you have to connect with them and you have to discuss with them regarding the job, and you have to project your skills and project them that how suitable you are for this job, and you should project your skills in such a way that this job is made for you, only for you. In order to do this process, you have to continuously acquire the knowledge, continuously get the certifications which are trending in the market and which are in high demand as per your job role. You have to get it and you have to publish them like anything. So one single tip, how much as much as possible you are publishing your skills, your profile will be that much visible. So you will be getting a wide network of visibility. You have to connect with your related field managers, senior managers, directors, whomsoever it might be. So high profile candidates, you have to be in their network and you have to be in their radar, so that you should be continuously projecting your skills, everything as much as possible you can do. How to do these things and how to connect with the managers and how to build our network, so I'm gonna make a very detailed video on this thing. So for the moment, I'm giving my LinkedIn account in the description. Go and check it out how I build this, and I'm gonna make a video and how to do this all these things. So for that, you have to subscribe my channel and share this video as much as possible. So thanks for watching. Jai Hind. Bye.